Hey, this is Gary. I want to talk to you something that's really, really important. The question is, what are some ways to increase your profit? Your gross profit would naturally increase your net profit without raising your price, changing your matrix on your parts, or changing your labor rate. What are a few things? I want you to think about this. And I'm going to pause just a minute. I want you to take a piece of paper and I want you to write two things down. Just pause just for a second or two. All right. I tell you what I wrote on my paper. I wrote down productivity and efficiency. Now think about this. Productivity is how many hours that someone's able to bill of labor if they're there 40 hours or 30 hours or 25. Say they're billing 25 hours, but they're there 40. So their productivity is a percentage of that 40 hours. Maybe they're billing 50 hours and they're 40. Hey, that's a winner. Now, what if efficiency is your issue and productivity is not your issue? Efficiency is someone that one of the technicians, that job pays 3 hours. He's able to do it in 2 hours. He's a third more efficient. So he's actually going to bill more labor. So I want you to think about this. Do you have an efficiency problem or do you have a productivity problem? Those are two great challenges to have. So do a time study. Look at what you're doing. Do an RO audit, a job audit, and see what's happening in your business. If you want to talk more about this, I would love to spend some time with you. Have a complimentary one-on-one. I'll give you 45 minutes of my time. We'll dig into what's going on in your shop. I'd love to help you. Call me at 270-282-1262. Free complimentary 45 minutes. Have a great day. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye-bye.